Hi guys, welcome to our review of week 6 and preview of week 7. We are nearing the end by far. So let's go ahead and jump in here. Just make sure that you are aware of the reminder or the schedule due dates that are coming up. Module 7 is going to be due this Sunday, making sure your discussion gets posted by Thursday this week, and then Module 8 will be due the week after. If you want to just double check on the homepage of Canvas, you'll see the revised schedule there. Don't forget that your completed portfolio is due April 17th, and this is just a friendly reminder that if you would like to include the activities in your portfolio, feel free to do so, because that really does help capture the essence of what you have completed as far as all the coursework. You're not required to do so, but sometimes those are the prettiest and most engaging pieces that we've worked on. So consider including those. This is just a reminder for those of you that weren't at the wrap-up meeting, and those of you that were might need to see it. You will be using the template for the LEC portfolio that's available in a textbook. You need to make sure that you include the LEC digital educator sticker on the top of the site. That's the trademark of it. You also need to make sure you're using the Google site for that. Make sure on the homepage where it gives you some introductory text and gives you some directions that you replace it with your own. We've seen in the past some people just leave that and not realize that they need to actually make their homepage personal. So please remember to do so. And then respect the navigation order. You can personalize how you want the look of it to go, font size and color, and if it's located vertically or horizontally, but please keep it in the order that's there. And remember that your resume is optional. If you don't include it, please remove the page. All right, moving on to week 7. So this week we're going to be talking about learning environments. In the discussion, you're going to be thinking about the relationships between the types of learning environments, types of devices and the amounts of devices that you have in your learning environment and how that impacts your instructional pedagogy. So really this is more about, in general, the relationship. Because then in the activity, you're going to design a mind map that captures the instructional impact of each of those learning environments that are included in the textbook. So make sure that you look at the list. I want to say there's about 12 of the bullet pointed ones. Sorry, I don't have that exact count on the top of my head, but you want to really think about the relationship between all of those with each other, and then the impact that they're going to have on the type of instruction that you're able to, or that teachers are able to experience as a result of them. So I've already posted my activity. Feel free to look at that if that would help you. Also, at the end of this module, you're going to be reflecting on your own learning environment and how your pedagogy is influenced by it. So you can see kind of the flow of this module, going from thinking of others to then thinking of your own, and so personalizing it as best you can. All right, guys, office hours are always available. If you are coming to a point where you just want some time with me, whether it's Google Hangout or in person, I am absolutely available to do so. Just visit the link right there, the bit.ly/Kate office hours LECDE. It is case specific. And I'm happy to set up some time to go over any questions you might have, especially those of you that weren't able to get to the wrap up, if you want to just chat with me about that. And that's it. So have an awesome week, you guys. Keep up the great work. It's so fun looking at all the work you're putting together, and we'll see you online.